Hi, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the hOmeLabs Freestanding Commercial Ice Maker Machine. Makes 99 pounds of ice in 24 hours, with 29 pounds of storage capacity. This is ideal for restaurants, bars, homes, and offices. It includes scoop and connection hose. And if you think 99 pounds isn't going to cut it for you, they also make a 143 pound model as well, so check that out in the listing. So as I mentioned, it's capable of producing 99 pounds of ice in 24 hours, and quickly makes 45 pieces of clear ice in one cycle, which is about 11 to 20 minutes. And with 29 pounds of storage capacity, it holds enough ice to be enjoyed by all. The freestanding design lets you install the ice maker anywhere inside your home, pantry, or restaurant. Just make sure to always have a water outlet near your unit. It's 17.6 by 15.7 by 31 inches. And the clear ice cube maker has a sleek, rust-resistant stainless steel interior and comes with a full set of accessories, including an ice scoop, water supply hose, water supply connector, and a water draining hose. It's great for commercial or large household use, ideal for restaurants, hotels, or big households that often require a constant large quantity of ice. And the 1.2-liter water tank hooks directly to a water supply, so you don't have to worry about filling it up like a conventional countertop ice maker. Only connect the appliance to a potable water supply. And it has easy-to-use controls, an intuitive control panel with an LCD indicator for displaying water and ice-making functions. The ice-making time and thickness of the cubes can be adjusted by pressing the plus or minus buttons. And it's also equipped with an automatic cleaning function. And before the first use, clean the ice machine and keep it in an upright position for 24 hours. Now let me share with you a fantastic review by a verified purchaser. Good evening. I have had this ice maker for a few days now, and I must say I am quite pleased with it. I have had many other smaller countertop models that claim to make 48 to 50 pounds per day, and upon verifying with a scale, found they make at most 1.3 pounds per hour. Still a decent amount, but nowhere near the advertised amount. This model claims 99 pounds in 24 hours, and has ice thickness settings from -5 to +5, and I have verified the following with the scale. I host large RV parties where we continually go through 50 pounds of ice a day, keeping two 160-quart coolers full of cold sodas and waters, and this ice maker has exceeded my expectations, and I would gladly recommend it to anyone with a small business. Nice. Start cranking out some ice with this hOmeLabs Freestanding Commercial Ice Making Machine. You can get it on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. So stay frosty out there, pick up your ice maker, I think you're going to love it.